Hi all. A very warm welcome to Sunday Stock Show. So, what is this Sunday Stock Show? This Sunday Stock Show is to help and educate people for generating income and creating wealth through stock markets. So, those who are looking for generating wealth and creating income source through stock markets, this will be very much useful and helpful to them. Uh, Sorry for the slight delay in network due to network issue where I was traveling and I was in the native place here. So there is a slow in the network bandwidth. So I apologize for that. And this is Kitu here, certified stock trainer, investor, and certified trainer. So coming to Sunday Stock Show, the show is all about like in this show every week we are going to identify the stocks where how we can identify like for the short term medium term trades for generating income and also for the long term uh, wealth creation for investing, which stocks to, how to identify the stocks and which stocks we need to invest for the longer term. So and also let us see, let's go to the current scenario of the market. Let me share the screen here. Please hold on. So this like why I'm doing this show on every Sunday is I already in the previous first episode I had conveyed you that Sunday is very useful for identification of stock selection where we need to put the money and all the stocks where for identifying for the short term and long term trades. So it will be very helpful for those who are looking to generate income or who are feeling who had the fire to do something, who want to start like something they're looking to start something new. It will be very helpful for them. So let me share the screen here and we can have a look on current market scenario and also which stocks are looking good. Let us see everything here. Is everything clear? Audio video, please type yes in the chat box. So let's have a look of the charts for this week. As we already discussed in last week about Bitcoin and as well as some of the stocks and the market performance. So currently, let us check what happened with the Nifty and what is the current scenario of the market. So see here, last week we had discussed the levels of Nifty where it may it is at the current support area, and we had already discussed in the video that currently Nifty is hovering around the support of 15,700, and you can clearly see this week it has closed exactly at 15,700 levels. See the support area here. So in this week, if currently Nifty, if this level breaks, this 15,700 level breaks and closes, like in daily chart, like Monday is a holiday tomorrow, as well as so market opens on Tuesday. So if it breaks down below 15,700 and it closed, then there will be a major problem in the market because currently there are no such like no signals to buy or start new buyings for holdings and all. So if it breaks, then there is a high chance for the market to come back to the minimum of these levels, 38% of the levels, that is around 14,400 levels. So the next level is at 14,400. and then if further breaks, then it will be there is a high chances to reach 12,000 as well, Nifty. So that is the analysis of Nifty for coming week. And let us see for some stocks. Last week we had discussed for the stocks of for buying side are L&T, McDowell, NTPC, Tech Mahindra. So coming to L&T, let's open L&T chart here. See L&T, if you see here, L&T is at a very good support areas. If we get nice confirmation of L&T, one more green candle in Monday or Tuesday like this, then it may perform very well so that we can buy it for short term or long term holding as well, because it is showing very good potential through charts here. So it may reach all time highs of 2000 levels. It may cross 2000 levels. So only thing is we need to wait for coming couple of days for the confirmation, because market is still hovering at the support area. There is a chances to break that support. So that we need to wait for a couple of days, so that if there is a green candle, like if there is a green signal for L&T, then we can take the position. And McDonald's, we have seen the McDowell last week where we had suggested for McDowell. See this stock just on Friday, even though market corrected, this stock got very nice green signal. So we prefer McDowell. We prefer for McDowell, but only thing, market also should perform in the coming days, because it's already corrected. It came down. Even though it breaks Monday or Tuesday, there is a high chance it may come back. So like Tuesday or Wednesday, because Monday is a holiday. So McDowell is also one of the stock we need to look into. And next one for the long term holding, HDFC Life Insurance is showing some good signs for long term, and Tata Motors also we need to look into, because Tata Motors also got some positive signal on Friday, which has been is very good sign of, went very well of almost 8%. So Tech Mahindra needs some positive signals, where we are waiting for last week. No signal has been came. Still waiting for IT stocks to get some positive signals. And as discussed in the last week, mainly we discussed about FMCG stocks. I hope you had remembered. There is a high chance of FMCG to collapse, to come down, taking U-turn. It went in the same direction which we had analyzed and discussed. Nestle, Britannia, and all has collapsed. You can see here, Nestle, huge collapse, and there is even more. There is a high chance for Nestle to come back to the minimum levels of 15,000, and if it breaks that 15,000, even more like 12,000 and all, because Nestle and FMCG stocks are showing some weakness in the charts. Britannia also showing weak. So BPCL, coming to the oil company, Bharat Petroleum is showing very weak as per the charts here. It may reach the levels of 250 or even more low to the 100. It may break the levels of 100 as well for the longer term. So these are the stocks. TCS showing some strength. We need some positive signals for TCS. So these are the stocks. Like for this week, we are continuing with L&T, McDowell, HDFC Life Insurance, Tata Motors, and coming to IT stocks, Tech Mahindra, TCS. We need some positive signals in coming week. Then FMCG stocks like Nestle, Britannia, and oil company stock BPCL are looking very weak. It may come down more. Tata Motors looking a little stronger, like got the good signal on Friday. If market recovers, buying stocks will go well. Market breaks the level of that 15,700, 15,500 levels, and there is a high chance it may reach to 14,300 levels. That means these FMCG stocks may collapse more. And coming to the Bitcoin, let us see the Bitcoin, which we had made the YouTube video. Is Bitcoin going to crash? At the levels of 38,000, 40,000 levels, we had identified Bitcoin that there may be a chance of crash. And currently, you can see here Bitcoin, it break 30,000 levels. That's almost more than $10,000 Bitcoin performed very well as per our direction. So any questions, any doubts, anything, please let me know in the comments so that we'll be answering all your queries. So this week market it reached the support area, and first of all we need to wait for Tuesday how the reaction until the day closing, so that remaining week depends on whether it may go up or go down. There is a chance of slight recovery this week, but no signals yet. So we need to wait for to make fresh buys. We need to wait for some more days. So all the best. Good luck. Good trading. Anyone looking to trade, invest, or to learn, you can message below. You can contact me directly. All the best. Thank you. All the best.